The Building Code of Australia now falls under the National Construction Code of Australia. All Australian states use the National Construction Code, or the NCC, as their primary building regulation, but there are slight variations in the code to each state. The NCC applies to the design and construction of all buildings and is organised into 3 volumes. The first 2 volumes contain the General Building Provisions, also known as the BCA, or Building Code of Australia. In this video, we're going to focus on Volume 1 because it contains the fire-resistant requirements of a building. In Section C of the NCC, it deals with fire resistance, and the objective of this section is to protect people from fire, allow sufficient time for people to evacuate the building, and stop the fire from spreading to other properties. It also establishes levels of fire resistance for construction based on building class and its rise and stories. There are 3 construction types included in these levels. Type A, that's the most resistant, Type B, the middle ground, and Type C, the least resistant. Those 3 construction types have schedules that list the required fire resistance of the elements in the building structure. These performances are then expressed as fire resistance levels, or FRLs. An FRL is the necessary resistance against fire required of an element. It is expressed in minutes for each of the 3 categories. The 3 categories are structural adequacy, integrity, and insulation. For instance, if you see that a requirement for a particular structure is written as 90, 90, 90, this basically means that the specific structure has to have structural adequacy for at least 90 minutes, integrity for 90 minutes, and the temperature does not increase rapidly within 90 minutes since the fire started.